If you want to unlink your FuboTV account from Facebook, follow these simple steps. This process will ensure that your FuboTV account is no longer connected to your Facebook profile. Step 1. Log into FuboTV. Open your web browser and go to the FuboTV website. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Find linked accounts. In the account settings menu, look for a section labeled linked accounts or connections. This section will display all accounts linked to your FuboTV profile. Step 4. Unlink Facebook. Locate the Facebook option in the link accounts section. Click on the option to unlink or disconnect your Facebook account from FuboTV. Confirm any prompts that appear to finalize the process. Step 5. Verify unlinking. After unlinking, it is a good idea to log out and then log back into your FuboTV account. Check the linked accounts section again to ensure that Facebook is no longer listed. By following these steps, you can successfully unlink your FuboTV account from Facebook. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to FuboTV customer support for assistance.